Lev Landau. He was a pioneer who laid the groundwork for modern theoretical physics and quantum mechanics. Landau's life, which began in Baku, Azerbaijan in 1908, was marked by both triumph and tragedy. Landau had tuberculosis as a child and was confined to his bed for months at a time. This confinement, however, sparked a love of science deep within him, and he began studying math and physics at a very young age. His interest in science grew as he studied in Leningrad, where he quickly established a reputation for his exceptional mathematical ability. Landau's contributions to theoretical physics were groundbreaking, and he collaborated with notable physicists and mathematicians such as Niels Bohr and Albert Einstein. He was known for his creative problem-solving approaches and innovative solutions to complex scientific questions. His work on liquid theory resulted in the Landau theory of phase transitions, which explains how materials behave as they transition from one phase to another. His contributions extended beyond liquid theory. He made important contributions to many fields of physics, including quantum mechanics, condensed matter physics, nuclear physics, and plasma physics. In the field of superconductivity, Landau proposed the concept of a second sound. This describes a propagating wave of temperature variation and density in a liquid. He also developed the two-fluid model, which explains how superconducting materials behave at extremely low temperatures. He contributed to the development of the theory of second quantization, which is a method of describing the behavior of many particle systems in the field of quantum mechanics. He also proposed an electron-phonon interaction theory, which describes how electrons interact with the vibrations of atoms in a crystal lattice. Lev Landau's life was not without tragedy. Despite his many accomplishments, he was involved in a car accident in 1962, and it put him in a coma for months. Despite his eventual recovery, the accident left him with permanent injuries that forced him to use a wheelchair for the rest of his life. He worked in physics and mathematics despite his physical limitations all the way up until his death in 1968. His contributions to the field will be remembered as one of the 20th century's most brilliant and innovative physicists. We can't help but be inspired by Lev Landau's resilience, perseverance, and love of science as we reflect on his life and work. His legacy lives on in the countless physicists and mathematicians that he has mentored, as well as the groundbreaking research that he inspired. These are Interesting Things with JC.